kind of happy that I can go for a ride at the minute. Even though I gotta go work. Like, let's get some visor open. Get some air flowing. I think, yeah, that's alright. So how's everyone doing? Back with another video with more goddamn improvements. I'm tinkering with the mic again, but you're probably fed up with me telling you that. Like, oh god, another video where he's tinkering. Fuck's sake, why don't you just sort it out? It's just me being anal, honest to god, right? It's just me being fucking fussy. I'm just addicted to getting perfection, you know? So yeah, so it's just more of a trial and error thing. Oh man, I'm not like one of those egotistic fuckers that go, oh my god, I'm so sexy, but right now I'm feeling like that, yeah, you know? Oh yeah. Look at that sexy babe with the mirrored visor. All I need now, right guys, it's anti-fog pin lock, because it supports it. Bing bang boom, Bob's your uncle. I know you're going straight in that, but you know, it would be nice for you to tell me that you're going fucking that side. And I got fear in my mouth, like some big old hairy balls. Lol. Oh my god, I'm worried now this is gonna go, because I haven't filled it up. So it's like absolutely brimming full. I filled it up enough so that, thank you for not pulling out on me. I filled it up enough just to get the gist of it, really, see what the MPG's like. And I gotta be fair guys, it's doing pretty good. It's on 145 miles. And because I gotta go into work, I gotta grab petrol and an energy drink, so oh my god, I gotta get some liquid goodness for my baby before she conks out, so I'm gonna have to cover the clutch just in case. So I know in the Suzuki at least I could fucking, I knew for a fact that I was getting what I was getting out of it. Don't you dare, don't you dare, oh you fucking cunt. Why are you smiling at me, you fucking chubby fucking bear? Cheeky cunt. Fucking grinning at me like that. You know why she was grinning at me? This beautiful fucker. Because she's seen her fucking guilty conscience. People are probably hearing me right now and they're like, yeah, you need to fucking grow up. I'm like, nah man, I'll be immature for the rest of my life, boy. Rest of my life, boy. Rest of my life, boy. Get some petroleum, boy. Raindrops keep falling on my head. I've been working from home for about 8 hours. But it's okay, at least I get a reason to get on the bike. Great. I've chosen the busiest parking petrol station. You watch, no fucker will let me through now. You watch it. Thanking you. Fucking wicked bat. Wow, wow, you wasn't gonna stop, was you? Cheeky fucking cunt. Okay. Bit of indication when the fucking went amiss. Some people, look at this prick, thinks a red light doesn't apply to him. That's how you get it off, but fucking dickhead. I am liking this helmet though, this visor. Oh, it looks gorgeous. Woohoo! I'm so excited. It's unbelievable. Oh, convenience. Man, someone is proper smoking the wacky backy and they do not give a fuck. Yeah, hi, I'm here. fucking dickhead. And staying behind that, again, fucking ash flicked at my fucking head. If you like this video, smash the shit out of the like button, throw a comment down below, and obviously subscribe, help me out please. I just greatly appreciate it.